How to share a referral link on social media. To share a referral link on social media, select the referral option located in the top menu bar. This will provide a list of job postings shared by your organization. Then, click on the share button. We offer several sharing options, including a referral link. You can choose to share via email, various platforms, or simply copy and post it on your preferred social media handles. It is important to note that only the referral link, including the job referral link shared through these buttons, will be considered for referral attribution. This is distinct from the link to the job posting URL. If you copy and share the job URL on any websites and a candidate applies through it, you will not receive referral attribution. This is because it is not a unique link, and it is not possible to track if the candidate applied through your referral. To ensure referral attribution, please use the unique referral link generated by the share button on your social media platforms. It is important that the referral applies to the job using this link exclusively. I hope this information is helpful. Thank you.